15-year-old, I created a brand new channel with no prior experience whatsoever, and the goal of this channel was to see how this new format can help grow a channel from scratch with no experience of growing on YouTube. Let's get started and take a look at some of the outcomes. Alright, so before we jump into the results, let's rewind and talk about how this experiment began. I created this brand new channel dedicated solely to YouTube Shorts. It had 0 subscribers, no videos, and I wasn't really sure what to expect. You know, am I gonna get a million views in the first few months and start making money, or is it just gonna be a complete flop and I'll never look back on it again? I'm gonna be honest with you, the results blew my mind away. So make sure to stick till the end so you see what I did and how you can do it too. Throughout the 90 days, I followed a carefully planned posting strategy. I posted one YouTube short every other day, ensuring consistency while also giving each video enough time to gain some traction. You might be wondering, what did you post? Did you reuse content that's already out there, or did you make your videos from scratch? Now, I'm not sure if this was the right decision, but I made my videos completely from scratch with no prior experience. While this isn't the most beginner-friendly strategy, it is proof that you can pretty much do anything if you put a bit of time and effort into it. While it did make the whole process longer and maybe even harder, it was beneficial to me because it allowed me to build up skills that I wouldn't have learned if I just clipped some random content, added captions, and boom, 50 million views. In terms of niche, I decided to go with the art niche just because it's something I've always loved doing, and it also has a pretty big audience with it, like a very big audience. Now let's look at some of the numbers. I monitored views, watch time, likes, and shares for each video. I also kept a close eye on audience retention to see how long viewers interact with the content and also if this directly impacts the amount of views. One of the most surprising discoveries was the impact of sharing my videos on other platforms. Some of the shorts that got barely any views on YouTube went crazy viral on other social medias. Different platforms have different algorithms, and you should be testing them all. This will also be bringing in new viewers and subscribers from other platforms and not just YouTube. Okay, and finally, now the moment you've all been waiting for, the overall channel's growth. In just 90 days, this new channel went from 0 subscribers to a whopping 43,000 subscribers. Alright, so now I told you how many subscribers I got, you can just click off the video. Or you can stay and actually see how I achieved this and the analytics that show how many views I got. Does that sound good? Now, throughout this experiment, I learned a lot about YouTube Shorts. Consistency and creating engaging content is key, but there's also an element of luck when it comes to making viral content. I did so much experimenting. I posted at different times, different lengths, posting with captions, without captions, with voiceover, without voiceover, and many other things. And if you're starting your own channel, make sure to screenshot this so you can remember to experiment with these things. Finally, I found out that posting longer videos is also key. While it can differ between niches and different topics, I generally believe that you have a much higher chance of going viral if you post a video that's 56 seconds long with a 65% audience retention than a 10-second video with a 130% audience retention. Remember, YouTube wants the average viewer to stay on the platform for as long as possible, so posting videos under 30 seconds won't be pushed as much unless they are truly incredible. Alright, finally, I'm going to show you some of my other analytics. Okay, so as you can see here, over the past 90 days, I've gotten 8.8 million views, 76,000 watch hours, and finally, I've also gotten 42,000 subscribers, as I said earlier, which is almost halfway to 100k, which is pretty cool. Here's some of my other analytics if you want to take a look and screenshot them. As you can see, I've almost gotten 500,000 likes, and here's my view to swipe ratio. So yeah, while it's not the best results, you know, you might have thought I'm already monetized or something. I haven't made a single cent from YouTube yet. I want to encourage each and every one of you to try and take a go at this YouTube journey. Even if just a few of you try, after watching this video, I truly believe that some of you will make it. You never know what could happen until you try. If you got something out of this video, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe or even like the video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll respond to all of them. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.